Hey guys, what's going on? I'm back here with a quick unboxing and review of the iq7 stereo microphone for your iPhone or iPad with lightning connector. Now this is a 4.5 rated star item microphone. Um, and the reason I got it was because I record from my iPhone. All the videos I upload are recorded from my iPhone. Right now I'm using the iPhone 6s Plus, and every time I go into editing my videos, I always have to amp the volume 200 up to 200%, so it'll be louder because it never records it to the proper uh, volume that it should be at. So hopefully, with this, it will get. I will no longer have to edit the volume. Hopefully, I will get better sound from my videos, and hopefully, you guys are able to notice. So, I ordered this off of Best Buy. It was $100. Now you are able to monitor as while you're recording, so you'll be able to hear yourself while you're recording with this. It has the headphone jack on the left side right here. What was weird about it is that when they delivered it came in a big box for no reason. This little item came in a box that was probably 4 times bigger than this. I don't know, and it was full of just airbags. It was weird. Anyways, let me go ahead and open it up real quick. Let's put this on the side for now. Let's see what's inside the box. I don't have a handy knife today, so we're just gonna rip through it here. Oh. Hard package to open. Okay. Also, we get a pouch, a bag, to be able to carry it along with us. Oh, it's not a pouch, it's actually a microphone. How do you call that thing? So this will go in here, either to give you, if you're talking in front of it, so you don't spit all over it. So that's nice. What else? That's it. Instructions. I thought it would have a USB to charge it. I thought it had to be charged. Or is it gonna power off of the phone itself? Huh. I think it was a different model that I was looking at that it actually had the USB connection. Because there is a iq6 and iq7. Anyways, a quick look around it. We have the our level of various settings for different audio. So we have the 90 degree, 120, and the MS. I'm not sure what that is for. To move it around for your comfort, I guess. What's weird about it is that hopefully it'll pick up the sound by itself. Hopefully I don't have to be like literally talking in front of it. I really hope not, but That's where the levels come into play. There is actually an app for this. It's called, I think it's called Zoom, where you can also edit the audio from the app itself if you like. So now, since I am using my phone to record it, I cannot plug it in, and I do not have another one. So that'll be it for now. I'm gonna plug it into my phone and record from it, and then this time I am not even gonna change the volume settings on it when I'm editing the video, just to see if there is a difference, and for you guys to be able to notice the difference between this one recording with an iPhone without this, and then this, how the sound quality is going to change after I put it on. So let me go ahead and put it on, and you guys can see how it's going to work. So here I am back. Now I do have the microphone right now set to level 5. Now it does have monitoring, so you'll be able to tell the volume right there, if it's too high or if it's too low. So there's 3 lines to monitor it. So right now I should be hitting at least the second line. So right now it's kind of low. So I'm gonna give you a quick preview of how from 1 to 10 and how the audio is changing. So let's set it to all the way down to 1. That is 1 right there, and I'm about 12 inches away from the microphone. Now this is going to be going up. I'm going up. This is 5. No, this is 6. Oh no, that's 4. This is 5. This right here is 6. This right here is 8. And this right here is 9, and that is 10 right there. When you're on 10, it hits the middle, and yes, but I think 10 would be too loud. I'm not sure. I'll have to see at the end of the video. Like I said, I am not going to edit this out. I am not going to edit the audio this time. I'm going to leave it as is, so you guys can get a understanding of the audio quality. So right now I'm gonna leave it at 6, 7. Leaving it at 7 right now. I think 7 might be proper. Who knows? How about 8? Yeah, we'll leave it at 8. Now, this thing actually comes with a little spacer that you can remove if you have a case on your phone. So you don't have to remove the case. All you do is you remove that spacer, which is this one right here. It was right there. It just clamps on by these little plastic things. So you're just gonna pick it off with your nail, corner by corner, and it'll come off. So that's only if you have a case. If you don't have a case, you do not need to remove it. Another thing about it is that when you want to play back the video, you need to have the headphones connected. If you do not have the headphones connected, you are not going to be able to hear it. The only way to be able to hear the playback of the sound of your video is by taking it off, which that is kind of inconvenient, I would say. But then again, it is just a microphone, not a stereo. I mean, not headphones or speakers. But anyways, guys, hopefully this will help you make up your decision on whether, if yes or no, if it's a good buy or if it's not. Again, this is the iq7 Zoom iq7. Hopefully this video helps you guys out make up your minds and decisions about this 4.5 rated star item, and hopefully it helps me out with the better audio quality of my videos. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and subscribe for more how-to and tech videos.